Before I start this video, I want to disclose with you that I actually do believe in aliens. I don't know if aliens have walked the earth or abducted people or anything like that. I just believe that this universe is so vast that there has to be life on other planets or exploring space or something. I don't know, but I do believe that humans are not the only ones here. Anyway, on with the video. Boeing's Starliner crew are reporting hearing strange sonar-like noises emanating from the spacecraft. Now, I'm just curious, are aliens trying to communicate with humans through the speakers? I don't know. I mean, it could be possible. If so, what are they trying to tell us? And why couldn't they be more creative like these aliens? I wonder what Luis Elizondo would say about this clip.
One has to ask, well, where are they from? And if it's not our technology and it's not some sort of adversarial technology, it's someone's technology.
Now I'm going to play it for you so you can judge for yourself whether you think it might be aliens or some space abnormality.
Houston on 2, I've got a question about Starliner.
Houston's with you, Butch. Go ahead.
There's a strange noise coming through the speaker, and I didn't know if you could connect into the Starliner and let me keep mic and let you hear. I don't know what's making it, but I don't know if it's something that maybe is connected between here and there, making that happen. But anyway, can you do that?
We can configure that, Butch. Give us a minute, and I'll call you back when it's ready.
Okay.
Station Houston on 2, we're configured for audio via hardline and CST, if you want to give us a call.
Okay, I'm in Starliner, and how do you read?
5x5, how many?
Yes, ma'am. Okay, I'm gonna keep the mic up next to the speaker.
Copy.
Hear that?
At negative, Butch, we did not hear anything.
That.
All right, Butch, that one came through. It was kind of like a pulsing noise, almost like a sonar ping.
Yeah, I'll do it one more time, and I'll let y'all scratch your heads and see if you can figure out what's going on. Here we go. All right, over to you. Tell us if you figure it out.
Yep, good recording. Thanks, Butch. We will pass it on to the team and let you know what we find. And Butch, just to make sure I'm on the same page, this is emanating from the speaker in Starliner. You don't notice anything else, any other noises, any other weird configs in there?
Nothing else. Everything else is normal.
Okay, thank you.